Hi, we're back at Erie IGA. We got another ice cream machine here for you. This is a Space F6240A. This is an aerated or air pump system. Instead of having the regular agitators in there, if you look inside, you'll see that it's an air pump system. What that does is it increases the volume of your ice cream. You still get the same consistencies and the same quality of ice cream, but you just get a bigger volume out of the same amount of liquid. One of the other things I want to show you, well, first let me show you something else here. He's got all the spare parts inside here. He's showing you that that'll come with it. A book that'll just describe all your different features as well as all your different parts and spare parts. It'll all be inside here. Instructions as well. If you look down inside there, you're also going to see it's gravity fed, which is a nice feature. I want to show you that over here. This is how when you receive this, you're going to receive it inside of a box like this. It'll be wrapped inside a plastic bag like this. It's packed with styrofoam around it, and it's attached to a nice, pallet right there. And now that we're looking down here, this is a little extra bonus that when you purchase this machine, we're going to go ahead and throw in 4 ice cream cone dispenser. Comes with it. You can install it right here on the sides, and it's pretty quick and easy. Set up the parts to do that right up on top there where he just showed you.
We can give you the
these are they're drip trays. You got 3 drip trays on this model. Okay, on this you also have variations of adjustments. You can go from like ice cream, custards, yogurts, sorbets, gelato, all that kind of stuff is right inside here. I mean, it's really simple to do. Well, another thing I want to show you is these up here are extra large hoppers. These mix hoppers. They're 12.5 liters. That's a little bit bigger than normal, so you're going to get a bigger volume, less time having to worry about changing it out all the time. These right here, I want to show you this. This is an automatic shut-off. So when the kids are getting their ice cream and they're dispensing it, if they leave it down, it's going to pop back up. You're not going to have all that mess and all that wasted product. And this comes off here. You'll notice that this is all high-quality stainless steel, food grade. Really good setup there. Even the beaters are stainless steel. These come off. The replacement, the parts you can get. The shaft itself that drives it is another high-quality stainless steel shaft. You get the little rubber boot came off there. Yeah, a little rubber boot seal that goes on there. But it's all high-quality stainless steel. This is a high-quality product.
This is all stainless steel.
This is a stainless steel setup. You peel this back and you'll see that
304 stainless steel.
It's your 304 stainless steel underneath there. It's just protective coating. Next I wanted to show you tell you that these hoppers here are these freezing cylinders. They're a 1.8 liter freezing cylinder, which is a pretty good sized freezing cylinder as well. It has microprocessor controls in it. If you come off to the side, you've actually got inside here you got a control board that has all the different variables adjustable on here. You've got a thermostat inside here that allows you to adjust multiple different setups for your hoppers. You've got a mix low light here. When this comes on, you'll know that your mix is low. You got to add some more mix to it. You have your standby settings. What it'll do is it'll take your mix hoppers and it'll put the freezing cylinders at 4.4 degrees Celsius during a long no-use period. So like overnight or early in the morning until people come in.
40 degrees.
And it's 40 degrees. So it'll keep your ice cream at a good solid, fresh consistency. It has a recorder on here. It records how much is dispensed daily. It gives you a total number of cones dispensed, so you can keep track of that. Easier to figure out your rate and how much your cost is and how much you're going to sell it for. Agitator hopper. is not on this one, but we do have product. We do have another version of this that instead of having the air pumps, have the agitators in them, and we do sell those. So look for it on our page, and you'll see that we also have those available. This here is a freestanding floor model. It comes with rollers on it, so you can roll it wherever you want. The other ones that we have are tabletop units, where you can set them up on a tabletop, and just go from there. This has an output of about 40 liters an hour, which is pretty proficient. I mean, I don't think you're gonna use that much unless you're an ice cream shop itself. So I mean, it's pretty quick, pretty good. This has a here's your little diagram on what's going on your dimensions and stuff. You'll notice that this is a 220 volts, 60 hertz system. Single phase. Has a 2 horsepower motor on it. Refrigeration system. Has a compressor with 5039 BTU rating, R404A. Separate hopper refrigeration pre-cooling setup. Compressor on that one is 400 BTUs, R134A. It's air-cooled system. On both sides, you'll see the vents, on upper and lower vents, to keep everything cooled, even your control panels, as well as your compressors and motors.
Great. Okay.
Okay, and on this as well, we have these buttons. I want to let you know, like, this is your standby button. I'll go over what they are in a second. This standby, pre-cooling, your wash, your refrigeration, your viscosity button, a parameter button, a lock button, and this is an off button. Now what you're going to do is your refrigeration button, this is going to be when the machine is in a state of off or whatever, you can push this button and bring it back in to start cooling and start the process. Alright, and your pre-cooling setup and your pre-cooling button, this one here is going to be for up here. This is going to pre-cool your mix so that it's ready to go, so that when it's coming down through the system, it's already getting cold and it's ready to rock out as your ice cream. Okay. The next one is going to be your standby button. The standby button is good for people that want to keep their mix fresh for a longer period of time in the frozen cylinder and that. Like if you're overnight or just like I said, early morning and just opening before people start coming in, something like that. Viscosity button here allows you to adjust your thickness of your ice cream, the hardness, I should say, anywhere from 1 to 6, 6 being the softest. And all the rest of this is all going to be inside your book. So, I mean, just to let you know, there's different parameters. There's a thermostat inside there that shows you how, lets you adjust the hoppers. So, I mean, everything's inside the book. I give you some little basics as I went through here, but everything's in the book. It even has a parts breakdown inside here. A blowout, everything in control panels, all that inside here. So it's all going to come with it. You'll be all set. Look for us at on eBay. We'll be Erie Grocery IGA. Look for Space Ice Cream. You'll find us. Have a good day. Thank you.